Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write application for absent in college. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. To the dean or professor. In the next line, name of your college. In the next line, address of your college. Next, the date on which you are submitting the application in the format date, month and year. Next, subject of your application. Here, for example, I am writing application for leave due to fever. Respected sir or madam, writing to inform you that I, then write your name, a student of, here write your course, at, then write your college name, unable to attend classes from, write the starting date of your leave to the ending date of your leave. Then mention the reason of your leave. Here, for example, I am writing due to fever. I have attached the necessary medical certificate for your reference. Kindly request you to grant me leave for the mentioned period. understand the importance of regular attendance and assure you that I will make every effort to catch up on all the missed lectures, assignments, and coursework during my absence. I shall be grateful to you. Yours sincerely, then write your name and course.